Good morning, students. Today we will study how to calculate the gain of multi-stage transistor amplifier. In the earlier lecture, we have seen the block diagram of multi-stage transistor amplifier, which was like this. So multi-stage transistor amplifier has got multiple amplifier stages. Like here we can see stage 1, the first stage, second stage, third stage, and up to nth stages, which are connected to each other or cascaded to each other with the help of coupling devices connected in between them. They are connected in series, right? So to multiply the gain of the amplifier and we get a bigger gain at the output. So these stages are connected in series. Now we will see the gain. Now what is gain? We have already discussed that the output divided by the input, the ratio of output to input is called gain. Here, now in the multi-stage transistor amplifier, how to calculate the gain? Say, the input signal to the first stage is Vin. Vin is the input to first stage, whereas the output of first stage is G1 Vin. That is the output of first stage. Now G1 Vin is given as the input to the second stage through the coupling device, whereas G2 is the gain of second stage. Now what will be the output? G1 G2 Vin, that is the output of second stage. This output is given as the input to the third stage, which has got a gain of G3. Therefore, the output of third stage is G1, G2, G3 into Vin. Similarly, and so on up to the nth stages, where the output is, the final output is V out. Now, you know what will be the V out? That will be equal to G1, G2, G3 up to Gn multiplied by Vin. Okay, so the gain is, we know the ratio of output to input. So output voltage divided by input voltage. Although gain has no unit, it is just a number. Therefore, we divide the output G1, G2, G3 up to Gn multiplied by Vin divided by Vin, the input voltage. So the gain comes out to be G1, G2, G3 up to Gn. That is purely a number. It is not having any units. Okay. Now the overall gain of the amplifier, we can see from this formula, the overall gain of the multi-stage transistor amplifier is the product of individual gains of each stage of the amplifier. It is clear from this. Gain is equal to G1 multiplied by G2 multiplied by G3 multiplied by up to Gn. So this is the product of each gain, multiplication of each gain, each stage gain. Okay, so the overall gain is equal to the product of each gain of every stage of the amplifier. Now say if we want to calculate the power gain. The power gain of the amplifier, the common logarithm of power gain is called Bell power gain. Power gain is, actually the power gain is P out divided by P in. So in terms of Bell, it is log base 10 P out divided by P in bells. So the number of bells is equal to log base 10 P out divided by P in. But for practical purposes, bell is found to be quite large. So it is divided into 10 small units. One bell is equal to 10 decibels. So this unit is called decibels, dB. So the power gain is equal to 10 log base 10 P out divided by P in decibels. So the gain is equal to 10 log base 10 P out by P in decibels, or we know power is directly proportional to voltage raised to power 2. So we can put V out square upon V in square. So whole square. So 10 base 10 V out upon V in whole square dB. So this 2 comes on the front hand side and we get gain equal to 20 log base 10 V out upon V in dB. And this is in decibels. So this is voltage gain, or in terms of current, also power is directly proportional to square of the current. So current gain is equal to G is equal to 20 log base 10 I out upon I in dBs. Now gain of the multi-stage amplifier, G is equal to G1 into G2, G3 up to Gn. So this is the product of all the individual gains. Now gain in dBs is equal to 20 log base 10 G. This is overall gain. 20 log base 10 G1 plus 20 log base 10 G2 plus 20 log base 10 Gn. So up to Gn for the nth stages. So 20 log base 10 G1 plus 20 log base 10 G2, 20 log base 10 G3 up to Gn. Now 20 log base 10 on both sides gets cancelled and we get G1 is equal to G is equal to G1 plus G2 plus G3 plus Gn. This is all gains are added with each other. So the product is changed into addition because of the log. So logarithm formula, you know, n into m, log n into m is equal to n plus m. So this is G is equal to G1 plus G2 plus G3 equal to Gn dBs. So the overall gain in dB is equal to the addition of all the gains of individual stages. Thank you so much for attending my lecture. We will continue with this topic in the next lecture.